Good morning, dear students. After your Unit Test 1 exam, once again welcome back to my class. Children, today we will start new chapter 9, topic pronouns. Let's start. Children, what are nouns? Yes, noun is the name of a person, place, thing and animals. So, in today's chapter we'll talk about pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that we use in place of nouns. Okay, children? Now let's read the sentences. Arun is a good student. Arun is a name of a person and will change the name of a person. He does well in class. Arun is a boy and for Arun we'll use he. Sheila is my sister. Sheila is a name of a person too. So we'll change it into pronouns. She is a teacher. Next sentence. Madhu and I are best friends. Here Madhu and I, these are person name. So we'll use we go to school together. The words in bold are pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Let's see some more examples. Ravi likes to play cricket. He practices every evening. In first sentence, Ravi. Ravi is the name of a person. So we'll change the name Ravi into pronouns. We'll use he. Koel is a singer. She sang at the concert. Koel is a girl. And this is also name of a person. So we'll change into pronouns. So we'll use she sang at the concert. Look at the cat. It is drinking milk. In this sentence, in first sentence, look at the cat. Cat is a name of an animal. So we'll use pronoun it for animals. In these sentences, we use he, she and it instead of Ravi, Koel and cat. Personal pronouns stand for the first person, the second person and the third person. Let's see some more examples. Neha, where did you go last evening? In this sentence, you is pronouns. Gina, I went to the mall. Himani came with me. We met Ajay and Rohit there. They invited us to go to a party with them. Here in all these sentences, I, me, we, they, us and them, which is written in bold letters, are pronouns. Neha, are you friends with Ajay? Gina, I have known him for 3 years, although I did not know he knows Himani. He is in fact her cousin. In these sentences, him and her is also pronouns. The words in bold are personal pronouns. There are two types of personal pronouns: subject pronouns and object pronouns. Let's see examples. I, we, and they are subject pronouns. Example: they live in Mumbai. They is subject pronouns. Second sentence: the students like her. In this sentence, her is object pronouns because it is written here me, us, them, him, and her are object pronouns. You is both a subject pronoun and an object pronoun. Examples: you can borrow this book. In this sentence, you is subject pronoun. In second sentence, my aunt knows you. In this sentence, you is object pronouns. So dear children, this was all about today's class. See you in next class. Thank you.